Now for me, I am going to try 360 for all of these because that seems like a reasonable, it sounds like a pretty reasonable sort of speed that I can use here. And now everything should work perfect. You never know though. I might end up accidentally having the odd, but it's accidentally end up having the odd bug in here, but that's okay. We'll press verify. Oh, there it says. It says dist was not declared in this scope. Okay, well, let's take a look. First of all, it says right here that speed is fine, S-P-E-D, speed, but distance, oh, wait a second, that doesn't match this. I need this to be degrees. So we'll change this to degrees quickly. I will change this to degrees, making sure to leave the minus sign where it's supposed to go. It looks like I have the same degrees versus distance problem here. So let's change this to degrees, and let's change this to degrees. And I should be able to press... Oh, got it again. Woo! So, change that to degrees and that to degrees. And I realize the robot's not hooked up here, so I'm just going to press compile. And it looks like everything is good. So I'm just going to now grab the robot, which is why it sounds like I'm running away here. And because I'm not actually going to run this thing on the floor, I just have a pair of blocks here that I have to run the robot on. Like so. I'm going to press on, turn my robot on. Like so. I'm going to see where I put the USB cable. Oh, there it is. So I'm just going to plug in the one part into the robot, one part into here, and we're now going to send it to said robots. Okay, so let's just take a quick look here. There we go. See, you notice I was getting problem uploading to board, and sometimes that meant big problems when it was taking us 20 minutes to upload programs and stuff. Well, it actually turns out here, we just need to make sure that the robot can see. Uh-oh, can't see the port. Okay, might have to pause for a moment while we fix that problem. A moment. So, not totally sure what happened there, so I decided to do what anybody would do. I would start recharging the battery just in case the Prism microcontroller was unable to operate properly with less current, because we have been using this quite a bit lately. And I switched USB ports, checked connections, and then all of a sudden the A105QOIK port came back up again, as you can see down here. So just to be sure, we make sure that we go back here to Tools. You have the right port here, and we've got the right board, so it looks like everything should be good. I'm just going to go and once again we'll verify the compile. Good, looks fine. We'll go in and upload the sketch now. And it's done. And basically all I'm going to do now is press start, which is the green button on the controller. You can't see that here because I'm screencasting. And I'm basically just going to put my fingers on the wheels so I can actually feel how they're going. Forwards. Backwards. Left. Right. Forwards. Okay, everything seems to be good. Not sure I really like those delay functions the way that they are, but alas, oh, that's why. Little mistake there. So I just realized that in my degrees, I need to switch that back to 14. Now this I'm going to upload because the delays on the turning right and left by degrees were like really long, and they shouldn't be. And so now I'm going to press the green button, and that's forwards, the pause, backwards, and then we should notice shorter pauses for the left and right turns. Perfect. Okay, so that's good. I might even try this quickly, because there does seem to be quite a pause here. So I think what I'm going to do is we're going to upload a slightly quicker delay for just the forwards and backwards, because turn left and turn right seem to be okay. So that's uploaded. Forwards, backwards, left, right, forwards. And that seems to work. So I'm just going to stop that. So it seems like everything's good here. So the only other thing I'd need to do is, if I needed to go forwards and backwards, turn left, but now instead of turning right, I need to go forwards again by only 50 centimeters. Well, using this library is really simple. I just copy this command, like so, and if I needed to go forwards 50 at this point, I can just do it like that. Okay, so that way if I were, say, having to navigate a maze or something like that, and it was to be done by a really long, drawn-out series of commands where I could actually navigate it through, I think this is pretty straightforward. So I think everything works now, and I'll stop the video and we can go on to some other topic.